Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is cheesy jalapeno soda bread. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Why soda bread, I hear you ask? Why not normal bread? Well, the fact of the matter is I can't make normal bread. As I've said before, me making good homemade bread is like me leaving half a pint of unfinished beer in the pub. Feasibly possible, but never seems to happen. But soda bread I can manage. Crusty on the outside, soft and fluffy in the middle. Okay, this is how you make it. Put the flour in a suitably sized bowl. We're using wholemeal flour, but you can use any bread flour you like. Then add the sliced jalapenos, cheese, bicarb soda and salt, and mix together well. When this is done, it's time to add the buttermilk and mix in. Careful not to overwork the dough, just do enough so it comes together. You will find this easier if you use your hands. And remember, if you don't like your hands getting sticky, get your wife to do it. When this is done, divide the dough into 6 equal parts. Then place the pieces on a well-floured oven-proof tray. Then give each piece a sprinkling more of grated cheese. And you should have something that looks like this. Then it's off to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 30 to 35 minutes. There you are, cheesy jalapeno soda bread. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.